In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a planner plan to Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to centralize your team's tasks and goals in one accessible place, making collaboration much smoother. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you're going to want to open up your favorite web browser. What you'll need to do is search for Microsoft Teams by entering it into the search bar. Once you find it, especially if you've bookmarked it before, click to enter the site. Next, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're signing into the one that your Microsoft Teams is connected to, the one that holds all your team's important information and channels. Look out for any prompts or requests for two-factor authentication and proceed to log in securely. Now that you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific channel where you want to add your planner plan. This could be a general team channel or perhaps a specific project channel, depending on your team's structure. So, take your time and make sure it's the right place. Once you've found the channel, look up to the top of the interface. You'll see various tabs. What we're interested in is the plus icon, which allows you to add a new tab. Click on that plus icon to open up a window that says Add a Tab. This window is where the magic begins. In the Add a Tab window, there's a search bar. Here, type in Planner. You'll see a list of apps drop down, and Planner should appear as one of the top options. Click on it to select it. This is the step that integrates your Planner capabilities into your chosen channel. After you click on Planner, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can either create a new plan if you're kicking off a brand new project, or you can choose an existing plan, which might be the way to go if there's already a plan associated with your team that you'd like to incorporate here. Make sure you consider what aligns best with your current needs. Once you've made that decision, simply press the Save button. This final step will add the Planner tab to your selected Microsoft Teams channel. What's great is that you'll have immediate access to all the planning and task management tools within your channel, allowing for a seamless team experience. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a planner plan to your Microsoft Teams channel. This will undoubtedly help you and your team stay organized and on top of tasks, ensuring that everything is moving smoothly towards your goals. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this tutorial makes your teamwork even more efficient.